Okay, very good afternoon, everyone. Me and my team is visiting Bau World Palm Mill this afternoon. The objective of the visit is to see the implementation of the standard operating procedure of this World Palm Mill to see whether they are complying with the condition and the step taken as laid out by the government. I can see, I'm very happy to see their standard operating procedure. Cuma tadi dia ada silap sikit, doesn't take, our temperature should be taken at the gate. But I think because of the police leading, so I hope there is no exception. Everybody temperature must be taken. The whole concept, when the government decided to, initially there was no decision whether to allow the World Palm ataupun kilang sawit untuk beroperasi semasa proses lockdown ini, tetapi Kerajaan Negeri mula-mula buat keputusan memberi kecualian kepada kilang sawit dan ladang-ladang sawit. Tapi kita juga mengenakan syarat-syarat, iaitu untuk membuat standard operating procedure, dan sebelah hari Ministry of Plantation Industry telah membuat persetujuan untuk membenarkan mereka beroperasi dan menggariskan segala tindakan-tindakan ataupun standard operating procedure yang mesti diamalkan oleh ladang dan tempat-tempat World Palm Mill seperti di sini. Yang penting, nombor satu, monitoring of temperature yang masuk ke dalam kawasan ini dibuat, dan juga melihat kalau ada tanda-tanda batuk, asma dan susah bernafas. Dan tadi kita beritahu bahawa lepas kalau ada, dia akan dihantar ke hospital berdekatan supaya tindakan selanjutnya akan diambil. Kerana kalau ia ada mengalami ada tanda sebegitu, then they have to do the tests, and then afterward they have to do the quarantine. Nombor dua, social distancing. I'm very happy to note that they have set up a process, a procedure untuk menentukan, misalnya tadi apabila dia bawa pekerja-pekerja, jumlah pekerja yang dibawa sesuatu kenderaan tu telah pun dikurangkan. Begitu juga masa ada makan, ada kerja-kerja yang perlu beberapa orang, they are keeping that social distancing very, very strict. Also, they have put up condition for their yang duduk ada at the level line, the workers, maybe they are staying in the plantation or dalam dekat mill ini, also laid out various condition including no party, no gathering. You can see just now ada padang mainan pun kosong. And then when they go out, they don't go out the whole family, tetapi satu orang untuk ke mana, and they will be asked to let the management to know their whereabout. It is very important to know their whereabout, kerana dalam kita menguruskan bencana COVID-19 ini, kita ada hotspot di beberapa tempat di seluruh negeri Sarawak. Jadi kalau macam tadi ada seorang pegawai ada close contact dengan satu mangsa, and he has to be investigated and then to be quarantined for 14 days. Jadi itulah penting untuk kita mengetahui mana dia pergi. And they also interview you untuk bertanya mana pergi, where you're going, maybe go to church, and the church has a record of what is happening, jadi dapat tindakan diambil. In other words, I'm very happy with their step. So there's no issue of not allowing them to continue. Kita tahu di Sabah ada beberapa tempat telah pun ditutup kerana ada kes positif, dan kita juga akan mengambil tindakan yang sama. Kalau ada kejadian positif di sesuatu ladang atau di sesuatu kilang sawit. Jadi pada hari ini saya menyeru kepada semua ladang-ladang di seluruh negeri Sarawak, ladang sawit, plantation, oil palm plantation and oil palm mill, to monitor their workers, and I will minta all the divisional disaster management committee diketuai oleh Residen to get the report in the next 1-2 days. Yang pertama, kita nak tahu berapa jumlah foreign workers dalam ladang-ladang masing-masing, sama ada ladang ataupun oil palm mill. Nombor dua, kita nak tahu sama ada any issues mengenai kesihatan. Adakah mereka ini bila datang di Sarawak, kalau dia, a lot of them are foreign workers, dan juga kita nak tahu history-nya, because our policy is to get the potential problem as fast as possible. So lepas kita dapat menjumpai ataupun mengenal kluster-kluster yang terjadi, yang kita nak tentukan tindakan untuk memutuskan the flow, because if we can do that, that's where there is a quarantine, there is all sort of action that we have to be taken to ensure the spread of the disease can be stopped. Jadi minta semua plantation to take care of all their workers, and we will send a message to the resident of all the bahagian to get detail of all the foreign workers in the plantation Sarawak, and that way we can monitor. Because dah ada berlaku di Sabah positive case in the plantation. Di Sarawak belum ada, and we hope it continue to be so. But we must be vigilant. Mungkin orang balik 12 bulan, 13 bulan dari Indonesia, this is the potential source. Tapi kalau dia balik these days, we're going to stop them. They cannot enter Sarawak. Kalau Sarawak is coming back from Indonesia, we have decided to quarantine them for 14 days. So we are making a very strict control over the movement of our people.